Hi, I'm Matt with ProspectBoss, and today we're going to show how you can control the dial order. The dial order is the order that the system calls phone numbers in a calling campaign. One of the great features of the system is the flexibility that you have to control the order in which it calls it. Now, the system does not call phone numbers in the same order that they are in on the original spreadsheet. The system sorts the phone numbers in order from lowest number to highest, so that the system would call low-numbered area codes such as 201 first and high-numbered area codes like 989 at the end. Let's go take a look at how we can control that. All right, now the dial order is a setting inside of each calling campaign. So to begin, we're going to come over to the main menu on the left, and we're going to click on Calling Campaigns, and then we're going to click on My Campaigns. Now, for the campaign that you want to change the dial order of, we're going to click on the Action button, which is the button with the 3 dots. So I'm going to click on the Action button, and then I'm going to click on Edit. All right. And the next thing to do is we're going to click on the button in the bottom right corner that says Next Step to advance us to the second section. Now we're going to scroll down, and we will find the dial order here towards the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, the default is to sort based on the phone number in ascending order, ascending being from lowest number to highest. So you can select a different attribute for it to sort on besides phone number, such as city, state, first name, last name, etc. So we can click here where it says primary phone number, and if we wanted to select one of these other attributes. Maybe we wanted the dialer to call all the phone numbers based on the name of the city that the people are in, or based on their first name or last name, or even by zip code. You can keep them all organized. It would call them one zip code at a time. For this, we're going to go by city, and we are going to leave it at ascending. Now, you can either set this for ascending, which would either be A through Z, or 1 through 9, or we can set it to descending, which would be Z down to A, or 9 down to 1. Once you've made your selections, then the next thing we're going to do is click Next Step. And then finally, we're going to click the Submit button. And after we click the Submit button, the system will let us know that the changes we made were successful. It will take us back to the View Campaigns page now that we have successfully changed the dial order. Now, one thing to note is that the dial order can only be changed on an already existing campaign. So what I mean by that is when you are uploading a new spreadsheet of phone numbers and initially creating the campaign, the dial order is not an available adjustment. But after a campaign has been created, you then have the opportunity to go and edit the settings of that campaign after it's been created, and then you can adjust the dial order. All right, I want to thank everybody for joining us today, and I want to thank everybody for choosing ProspectBoss. Thank you. Bye-bye.